25 Lok Sabha MPs and 11 Rajya Sabha MPs. But even till today, the people of Andhra Pradesh are still waiting upon the fulfillment of the assurances given in the AP Reorganization Act. Even after 11 years of non-performance by the BJP, our MPs do not utter one single word on the assurances given to the people of Andhra Pradesh. Congress party is questioning why. Only for namesake, our MPs belong to different political parties like TDP, Janasena and YCP. But they're actually all BJP's binamis. They're all rubber stamps in the hand of BJP. All they do is nicely nod their head for every bill that the BJP party produces in the parliament. They have never ever stood for any of the assurances given in the State Reorganization Act. Special status is one of the major promises given in the AP Reorganization Act, and it has been 11 years now since this promise has been given. Mr. Modi in 2014 said he will give 10 years of special status, and even after 10 years of giving that word, it does not come to his mind, nor these MPs remind him that we deserve the special status. Polavaram project is also another assurance given in the State Reorganization Act. But Polavaram project, 33% of that project was completed by Dr. YSR, and the rest of the project, the centre had to take it up, making it the national project. But the centre today has decreased the water storage capacity of that project and is refusing to give full funds as R&R to the remaining of the people, which means this project will not hold a capacity of 194 TMC but only 114 TMC. This will not be a gravity-based project. This will become a lift irrigation project, more of like a reservoir. And yet our MPs do not question. Why? Because they are all BJP binamis. Also for the state of Amaravati capital construction is the responsibility of the centre according to the State Reorganization Act. But even till today, the centre has not given us any funds. But our Chief Minister is trying to get loans to build a capital. What is the need for us to get the loans? And the Chief Minister's plan to repay the loans is by selling the lands of Amaravati. So you build Amaravati and then you sell the lands of Amaravati. So what are you achieving for our children? Our MPs do not talk about any of these issues. Our question is, so many promises have been given in the AP Reorganization Act, like Kadapa Steel Factory, Dugarajapatnam Port, Special Economic Package for the backward areas, metros for Vijayawada and Visakhapatnam, Hyderabad and Vijayawada Rapid Rail, and Chennai to Visakhapatnam Industrial Corridor. So many promises, so many assurances. But not one of them has been fulfilled. And our MPs do not talk about it at all. Congress party is demanding that at least now these MPs wake up and talk for the people of Andhra Pradesh. If they have any gratitude at all for the people that voted them to power, they should start speaking at least now.